Here is an update from March and April, the 26-foot runabout restoration I've been working on. The deck is coming along nice, the surface has been smoothed out, and due to the fact that it is not a flat surface, I needed to be entirely sure that the teak was going to lay down in a smooth fashion. There needs to be some subtle bending of the teak for it to conform to the flowing curves of the foredeck. There are some hollows in the surface, and I needed to be completely satisfied that the teak will epoxy down onto the deck. I used some pine battens to confirm my hypothesis. The helm area had an elongated M shape to it, and it makes for some interesting development when it comes to the margin board intersecting the ends of the teak battens. Another challenge is the area in which the teak will intersect the forward corner of the cockpit. You can see I've sketched out some ideas to plan ahead for an interesting and cohesive pattern. The end result making for an interesting design that allows the eye to flow along the deck and make for a well thought out solution. As I got to a comfort level with the subsurface of the deck, I started to lay out the margin board around the foredeck area, as well as applying the king plank, which is the wide middle plank that goes from the bow to the front edge of the helm. A special brown colored epoxy by Teak Decking systems is used. A notched trowel is the best way to make sure that there is solid contact with the deck surface and the bottom surface of the teak. Bricks and small blocks are used to ensure that there is a downward force, as well as maintaining perfect position of the teak onto the boat. The margin board teak is an African teak species called Afromosia. It has a wonderful grain pattern and should make this deck quite unique. As always, make it a great day. Signing off from Senesac Boatyard.